Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Javed Ahmed from UPS Kralbatpura. We are home quarantine, so stay home, stay safe, save yourself and save others. Today, I prepare a lecture for 7th class regarding acids, bases and salts. First of all, I will tell you we see the various types of edible substance in our daily life. They taste differently. Some are sour, some are sweet, some are bitter, some are salty. You can taste these things at your home. When we taste the curd, it is sour in taste. When we taste lemon, it is sour in taste. When we taste orange, it is sometimes it is sour or sometimes it is sweet. When we taste the vinegar, it is sour in taste. When we taste the amla, it is bitter in taste. No doubt the soap solution, it is not an edible substance, but when we taste the soap solution, it is bitter in taste. And the substance having the sour taste, which are found in nature or which we can prepare artificially, these are known as acids. So we can simply say an acid is a substance having sour taste. These acids, these can be prepared artificially or these are found in nature. And the chemical nature of these acids is acidic nature. The term acid, it has been derived from a Latin word. Latin word acidus, which means sour. Large number of the fruits and vegetables taste sour and hence these are called acidic substances. So in nutshell, we can say an acid is a substance which has sour taste. What are the types of acids? There are mainly two types of the acids. One is organic acid and second one is mineral acid. What is organic acid? An organic acid is an acid which is found in plants or animals. Organic acids are also called natural acids. So we can say an organic acid is a substance which is found naturally in plants or animals. And second to it are mineral acids. These mineral acids, these are the acids which are prepared from the minerals of earth. So we can say mineral acids are the acids which are prepared from the minerals of earth, or we can say these mineral acids are prepared from non-living things by chemical means. Talking to the organic acids, we will take some acids and the source of these acids. Citric acid, this acid it is found in lemons and oranges. Oxalic acid it is found in tomatoes. Lactic acid it is found in sour milk. Malic acid this is found in apples. Acetic acid it is found in vinegar. We can remember these acids by a simple formula. This question is asked in examination. Name some organic acids. But the students find it difficult to remember the names of these acids. I have made a simple formula in Kashmiri to remember these acids. Just as I will take the first letter of these acids, just as COLMA. C for corona, O for ow, L for lucan, M for mushrowan, A for aram. So we can simply remember these acids by a simple formula. Corona, ow, lucan, mushrowan, aram. Next to it are mineral acids. What are mineral acids? We have discussed it that mineral acids, these are acids which are prepared from non-living things by chemical means, or we can say mineral acids are the acids which are prepared from the minerals of the earth. Here are some mineral acids such as sulfuric acid, nitric acid, number 3 hydrochloric acid, number 4 phosphoric acid. In examination, it is usually asked, write the formula of some mineral acids. Sulfuric acid, the formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. The formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, and the formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. These are the formulas of these mineral acids. One thing you should remember that these acids, these are highly corrosive, and the handling of these acids is very much difficult. So handling of these acids should not be taken with bare-handed, or we should only use these acids under the supervision of elders. In addition to it, when you go into the higher classes, you will learn that the new definition of an acid. An acid is a substance which releases protons, or we can say an acid is a substance which releases H positive ions. H positive ions are also known as protons. So simply we can say an acid is a substance which releases protons. Depending upon the concentration of protons, we can classify the acids into strong acids or weak acids. Those acids which releases protons in maximum amount are known as strong acids, and the acids which releases protons in minimum quantity are known as weak acids. And next to it are the bases. Here now we will discuss about bases. What are bases? Coming back to the taste of the substances which have bitter taste. Substances which have bitter taste and soapy touch, or we can say silvery touch, are known as bases. Those substances which have bitter taste and silvery touch are known as bases. Chemical nature. Chemical nature of bases is basic nature. These bases have basic nature. Some bases are as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. The formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole twice. This sodium hydroxide, it is found in soaps. This potassium hydroxide, it is found in liquid soaps. This calcium hydroxide, it is found in lime water, and this magnesium hydroxide, it is found in milk of manganese. Just like acids, every acid contains protons in it. Same is the case with bases. Each base contains OH negative ions in it, or we can say a base is a substance which releases hydroxyl ions. A base is a substance which releases hydroxyl ions. These bases, these are corrosive in nature. These cause blisters to our skin. So these should be handled with care. So this was all about acids and bases. In next lecture, we will discuss about indicators. This was all for today's lecture. Thanks. Take care.